Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Reed. This is Reed's Beauty Trip. We are going to do an unboxing, which, if you guys don't know, I'm on a low buy, but I've not canceled all my subscriptions, and this is going to be our Boxycharm base box. So everything that I get into this, basically counts against my low buy. I did cancel my premium, so now I only get the base and the Luxy one. So it is here. Mine comes late to the party. I don't know what else to explain it to people, but I am excited about getting this. I've seen a couple people's videos. I try not to. This one is the C2101029-BA, and the theme this month is Fresh Start. We are in 2021. This is the January unboxing, so we are wanting a positive fresh start for the year and going forward and building beautifully. So that is the goal. First thing that is in my box is the Violet Voss All of You Forever. Now, I love the concept of this because to me this is something that would work with people with green eyes. I have hazel eyes, so they turn me from green and stuff to sometimes a funky blue. But I love Violet Voss formulas and stuff, so I am excited about getting this. I think my friend of mine, she got a different one. But it is this. Like I said, so I love the color combinations, the neutrals with that green and that olive colors that you can intermix and stuff. So you can really build up that eye look. As someone that's does looks with people and stuff like that, just because it says it's olive, sometimes you want to look for the people with hazel eyes, you're going to look for looks like this to really play with and stuff. So I love the concept of this. I am excited. So we're about to have company. The hubby's home from work. So there's that. And just to give you a heads up, here's the kicker for this. I lose 2 points in my beauty pink for every pan. So I will be losing 24 points to this. That's fine. That's fine. I took on the responsibility of this. I will be good. So this goes for $34. I got both of them shipping and stuff. So it's a new launch. It's a new palette for Violet Voss. The next one I got was the Pharmacy Daily Greens Gel Moisturizer. This is really good because it's a gel moisturizer. It goes for $38. This is really Yuki Ann. If you guys have been watching my channel long enough, you've heard Yuki talk all the time. Oh, now I ripped it. During the winter, during the driest time and stuff like this, this is really good. Gel moisturizers are really good for you to use if you are really susceptible to super dry skin in the winter months and stuff. So if you have gel moisturizers, this is when you get them out. You get them out because of the not the correct moisturizer. You're gonna look at the stop, Yuki. Moringa and papaya, which has been a really jump in moisturizers and skincare lately. That whole moringa and the papaya. The papaya has had a huge jump in products and stuff. And like I said, that one goes for $38. Next, we have the Avant Hyaluronic. Let's just read it this way. Avant Skincare. This is the Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. So it is where you would have to mix it before you used it. Let's read this because reading this print's kind of like. So it's got hyaluronic, marigold, whole bunch of, okay. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid. This is a good winter micellar water with hyaluronic acid. It actually helps pull moisture from the air into your skin. So for that extra plumping and taking care of dryness, this is something that I would highly recommend. So it helps dissolve resilient and waterproof mascara. And that's the oil phase. And then the micellar water phase, working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. So interesting to find out. Avant, I've gotten a few of their products. I really do like it. This one goes for $90. That's why I only get Avant in subscription boxes. Because it's expensive. The next one I have is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm, called Unprofessional, and I think this is the color pretty much everybody I saw get. It's a sheer hot peach. That just sounds wrong, and it is. That is a spring color. I'm saying Easter, say hello to me. Not something I would use right now, and not something that would work under a mask right now. Even though I do have a little bit of pink lips today. That goes for $18. Then we have the Seraphim Botanicals. This is this apple balm lip mask. Okay, this has had my interest because other people got this and I was like, oh, apple. Oh, I love apple. I like a lot of them. So it is a little glow lip mask. So that does, my understanding, it does smell apple-y. I'll have to break the seal because I want to smell it. Maybe. Or I just broke the seal. Is it bad when you go to tweezers? Where are my beautiful... Oh, there you are. If you can't grab it with your nails, grab it with your... Okay, there is something seriously wrong with this seal. There we go. If all else fails, just stick your tweezers down in it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. I like it. I need to clean my tweezers. But anyway, I am liking the box. I love the eye color. It's got some skincare. It's got a nice menagerie of things to try. Avant is a higher end product, so I'm not surprised that I have to clean the tweezers. That it, you know, it is. I've never seen a biphase that expensive, but I will have to look into it more for biphases because I have a few biphase products where it has a 2 level thing. But $90 is a lot for micellar water. That's a huge investment. I don't think I'm as committed to micellar water to that level, and I do spend money on micellar water. So yeah, we'll see about that. Anyway, that is my January unboxing for Boxycharm. I did not invest in premium. I did cancel it this year, just trying to cut back because I need to use up. I need more products going out than coming in this year. So it is a work in progress. So hopefully you guys will follow with my journey of my low buy. It is not a no buy. It is a low buy. And we will have some other subscription unboxings, and like I said, and then you will also see my review on my low buy with my empties this month. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.